all require different operating systems to run their technology or their component. And it's madness. The other thing that other car companies have been trying to do is direct sales model. The direct sales approach eliminates the need for middlemen, eliminates the need for hard, strong arm selling, screwing customers, and it allows for very competitive pricing as well. And by selling directly to consumers, Tesla can control the sales process, offer personalized service, and gather direct feedback for product improvements. And this enhances the whole customer satisfaction and customer experience and enables Tesla to maintain a strong brand. And what they can also do too is change price on the fly from all the data that they pull in. Normally other car companies, they make prices once a year. They think about it in the summertime and then they launch their price, say, whatever, September, October for their 2024 model. And then they wait a year. And then the middlemen, the car dealerships, take all the money from the customers and screw them and sell them all this warranty crap that they don't need. Tesla doesn't have to deal with that. Then they have a supercharger network.